Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.